Well, guess what, folks? It's that time of year again. My birdie friend is back, and as you can tell, yeah, he's stuck in the stovepipe. This happens every year, oddly enough. So let him free, I guess. I'll close up these doors and everything and see what happens. Hopefully it's just inside that part. I don't have to take apart the freaking whole stove. Alright, birdie, come on. I know you're in there. See the mess. Come on. It's loose. It's loose. We have birdie out. One more time. There he is. Yeah. Alright, little teacher. Time to get out. Yeah, give her a minute while I go bang out this stovepipe. A day in the life, folks. A day in the life. Come on. I heard you. I heard you. Oh, you're in there. There it is. You little cheeky bird. Come on. Come on. Come on, little cheeky bird. I see you. You're stuck. Let's get you out of there. See you? He's all covered in this slimy stuff. Come on, buddy. Time to get out. Fly out of there. Freedom! Usually they just fly right out, but not this guy. I might just scare him out of there. Your eviction notice is coming. Apologize. He looks like he's pretty scared. I'm gonna go bang on the outside and see what happens. So if I miss the camera action, I miss the camera action. So be a good birdie and fly out. Follow me. Still in there? I'm scared. Where'd he go? I have to look at the footage to review that. Beef. There he is. Hey, buddy. What you doing? There you go. There you go. Out the window. No, not inside the house. Come on, dum-dum. There you go, right there. Right there. Oh, there he goes. Freedom. And he's off. And I got a big mess to clean up. Anyways, that was my yearly visit from the wood stack bird, or the wood stove bird. Anyways, another day in life. Goodbye, folks. Thanks for watching.